Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to rearrange your channels on YouTube TV in 2025. Are you tired of scrolling through a long list to find your favorite channels? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through the simple steps to customize your YouTube TV channel lineup. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. In this guide, we'll cover how to reorder your channels on different devices, including your smart TV, computer, and mobile devices. Plus, we'll touch on some troubleshooting tips if you run into any snags along the way. Let's get started. Visual, screen recording of YouTube TV on a smart TV. Okay, first, let's look at how to rearrange channels on your smart TV. 1. Navigate to the Live Guide asterisk using your remote, open the YouTube TV app and head to the Live tab. This is where you see your channel guide. 2. Open the customization menu asterisk, look for the Live Guide button. It might also be labeled Edit or a pencil icon. Select that option. 3. Reorder channels asterisk. Now you'll see a list of all your channels. Simply select the channel you want to move and drag it to your desired position. Some TVs will use arrow keys to move channels up or down. 4. Confirm changes asterisk. Once you're happy with a new order, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Done or Save button and select it. Visual, screen recording of YouTube TV on a computer. Next, let's see how to do this on your computer. 1. Go to YouTube TV asterisk, open your web browser and go to tvyoutube.com. 2. Access the Live Guide asterisk, click on the Live tab in the main navigation menu. 3. Customize the guide asterisk, find and click on Live Guide. It should be somewhere near the top right of the screen. 4. Drag and drop asterisk here. You can easily drag and drop your channels into the order you prefer. Just click on a channel and move it up or down the list. 5. Save your order asterisk as before. Don't forget to save. Look for a Done or Save button, typically in the top right. Visual, screen recording of YouTube TV on a mobile device. Finally, let's see how to rearrange channels on your mobile device, iPhone or Android. The process is very similar to the computer. 1. Open the YouTube TV app asterisk, launch the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. 2. Go to the Live tab asterisk, tap on the Live tab at the bottom of the screen. 3. Edit the guide asterisk, look for an Edit or Customize option, or a gear icon. Tap on that. 4. Reorder channels asterisk, touch and hold a channel to drag it to its new position. 5. Save changes asterisk, tap Done or Save in the upper corner of the screen to finalize your channel lineup. Visual, screen with troubleshooting tips. Now, let's cover some troubleshooting tips. Asterisk changes not saving asterisk. If your changes aren't saving, try refreshing the app or website. You might also need to log out and back in. Asterisk missing channels asterisk. If a channel is missing, make sure it's still part of your YouTube TV package. You can check your subscription details on the YouTube TV website. Asterisk app issues asterisk. If you're experiencing general app issues, try clearing the cache or reinstalling the app. That's it. Rearranging your channels on YouTube TV is a breeze. By following these steps, you can create a personalized viewing experience that saves you time and frustration. We hope this guide was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.